Okay, this is a video. Okay. We ended with taking the tubes or dimensions or pi on Planck scale in a seemingly straight line. Only the structure can provide the straight line. It doesn't exist time and space. Yeah, Kaya wanted to be in the movie, so Kaya's leaving very soon. He's my best friend, and it's a better place for her. Can't afford a place where she can stay, so let her go. With her heart, so no. So this, let's put the dimensions back in for maybe this cube. Cube and cube produce dimensions and equilibriums, which are based on basic XIZ element, earth element, air. How do you develop into Dodeki, and how elements can evolve around the axles. But you have to understand that every time you evolved around one axle, all these other axles appear around which you can choose one to evolve around. So possibilities are endless. The only thing I'm showing you now are the platonic dimensions, and their basic evolving properties around similar axles. So this is the basic principle, and then you see these basic axles, and then you want the attention. Wait, I have to fix this. Show this to people. So then we can go to the next page. Here you see all the frequencies of the different elements. It's like coded. No, I have not calculated all the ratios in between and stuff. They are not even perfect, but I did my best. But it also need to be calculated and applied to what you already know about things. And you see here the 3D, 4D. Let's show it more in detail. Yeah, so here you see 3D. Let's go to the fun. Hey, why don't you see my own face anymore? I'm not interesting enough. Oh. So somehow the recording stopped. I didn't know when, because it's a free app and I don't know how it works, but it's quite simple. So we have just like the program, 3D, 4D, and 6D properties of the cube. And this is the 3D properties, this is 4D properties, and this is 6D properties. Now you put those together, find equilibriums, creating frequencies. So this is the alpha element, and it's really beautiful. It's far from complete. I'm still working on it, and I'm using very primitive abilities to fix this stuff. And so this is the alpha element. Let's show the alpha element. And so this is a non-frequency because it has no connection. It only gets connected later when alpha and omega come together. So there are both male connections. This is male-female connections to alpha and omega. Eternalflower base called profile. This is the return of the cube. This is also a connected element. It's not pure element. It's also a connected element. I call it the beta element. It's also a connected element. A pure element. These elements I only found when I created this file. So I still need to deploy them. This is the 6D element. The element mine. This is already deployed. And then here is the first frequency. It's dark minds compared with air. And this is the last frequency I found. This is the element wood, the orange one above. This is the same frequency as the element all, everything. This is the King's cube, King's matter, all that matters, all we know, we can know, what we want to know. Where we are now. It's beautiful. You can find more on my website about it. Here it finds another equilibrium between the air and element. So it's actually the wood element, the tree element. It's the only element is slightly beneath the matter element. So when you go from matter to other places, the first thing you go to is tree. Wood matter. This is dark matter. This is dark matter. It's one of the first frequencies from the cube, which is also the same frequency as air element in tetrahedron shape, which combines with all the other elements, just like matter. So it's like dark matter. I can explain it all to you, but I don't have time. This is the element universe. It's composed out of triangles. You can find more on my website about it. This is not a pure element. This element is only because it's on the frequency. Universe. Here another air frequency. This air frequency is also dark. Tetrahedron, the two dark tetrahedron inside each other, so dark fire. Then we have here it's a 6-dimensional mind frequency. And this is the first light frequency. It's an O frequency, so it's a high quantum level. It's a 10-dimensional star. Ga het nou even rustig. So this is the alpha element. This is its core. It's beautiful. So all the other shapes appear out of the splitting of this core. Let's zoom out. You can see the whole picture. It's not the whole picture. I'm still working on it. So it's still the alphabet. There's nothing, no creativity comes to this. It's pure basics. But then, so here we have the alpha elements. Here we have the omega elements. It starts with the dodecahedron, which we already in the other videos showed how it worked. Here this is the isocahedron. This is what I call the element all. Everything. So, I don't know where or when, but let me find out. So, and then we have the, yeah, of course, all these elements can be took apart. And this, here they are, oh, here they are together. So, this is three elements. Element of, element, so the dodecahedron, the element water, the element all. You put those three together, you get this wonderful shape, which is the omega element. And you can take the omega element apart. You see this is combined element. This is the dodecahedron. So this is the first resonance frequency of the dodecahedron. We'll follow more when the formula will advance. But this is the first frequency around which the dodecahedron resonates, which makes it evolve. Just like first frequency of the cubism. This is the first frequency, the first wavelength that makes the cube evolve. This is the first wavelength. More will follow, but I'm not right there. This is also combined element lotus. This is element mind in its pure form. All, sorry, was mind. This is the seeds. This is the water. It's exactly the same frequency as dark mind. You get the first resonance frequency of the earth core. And you get the 4D combined with 3D, which is the element wood. Wood is a very important element. This is all the other elements. First and last element is for life. Here you got all this beautiful elements. More, much more will follow. I'm sorry, I'm not about to. These are the basic frequencies. Some combined, some pure, and there are some resonances in them. It's undefined shape. Platonic. Zoom in some element of life. Celebrate life.